Can you really copy and paste your way into crypto profits? Believe it or not, yes. I didn't believe it either until I saw it for myself. There's a system called the crypto code that sends you trade alerts, telling you exactly when to buy, when to sell, and where to place your stop loss. It's the exact setup that professional traders use, except it's simplified for regular people like me. And it works. In this video, I'm going to break down how these alerts work, why they're so accurate, and how you can start using them even if you're brand new. The alerts come with exact prices and timing. They're based on real setups, not hype. And the win rate? Over 84% across hundreds of trades. But it gets even better. If you want to take your hands off completely, you can use WaveBot, a crypto bot that automates trading for you. And if you want to understand the system behind it, you get a full training course, private group access, coaching, and real-time insights from seven-figure crypto traders. The point is, you don't have to guess anymore. I put together a free guide that shows you how to set up your first automated crypto campaign in under an hour, even if you've never traded before. Download the guide using the link in the description. It's free, it's simple, and it's how I got started. You can do this.